Alrighty, how are we doing today, everyone? This one is going to be something a little different. This is going to be how to transfer your Bitcoin from your virtual wallet to a centralized exchange, decentralized exchange, cold wallet. I'm going to be using my Trezor wallet that I'm going to be sending it to. So first of all, what you're going to need to do is click on your wallet, go to virtual, and it will now show you your GoMining balance, your Bitcoin balance, and what they've recently updated is you can now add USDT and USDC to your virtual wallet. So I have about $850 of Bitcoin in this wallet. We're going to click on that one. Now I can either convert it to GoMining tokens, I could deposit some more Bitcoin, or I can withdraw it. And I guess if I had a second Bitcoin wallet on here, it would allow me to transfer it. Or actually, no, sorry, it says coming soon. So soon you'll be able to transfer your Bitcoin from one wallet to another rather than just withdrawing it. So I'm assuming they're going to make multiple Bitcoin virtual wallets on GoMining. That would be the only thing that makes sense to me. So first of all, what I'm going to need to do is click withdraw, obviously. What am I withdrawing? My Bitcoin. You have the minimum you can withdraw, and then it tells you the fee. Now the fee will be anywhere from 0 to 0.000006 Bitcoin. So your fee may be anywhere from 0 to $7. Let's see what mine's going to be. We're going to click on that right here. There we go. So 0 fees is you're going to be waiting about 24 hours. If you want to pay that $7 fee, you'll get it fast. Me, I don't care. I don't care how fast I get it, mainly because I'm mining about $7 of Bitcoin a day. I'm not going to waste a day's worth of Bitcoin just so I can transfer it. So I'm going to click the free. Now, I'm pretty sure this is my Bitcoin address, but it's always better to double check. Why send someone else money when you can ensure you're sending it to yourself? So yes, we have the correct address. We are going to send our maximum amount. We're going to click next. Right here, this is your confirmation screen. My withdrawal amount, 0.00724621 Bitcoin. My fee, free, because I'm going to wait 24 hours. I don't care. It's going to get there. It's going to get there. Now I'm going to click confirm. And now through some security measures, I'm going to have to input 2 codes to ensure that it is correct. No one needs to see these codes, so it will be blanked out for everyone. And just like that, withdrawal order has been created. The funds will arrive within 24 hours. Super simple, super easy. I hope anyone who's had any questions about this is able to follow this and figure it out. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I will answer them and or possibly make a video on them. So enjoy the mining, and remember, there is a 10% efficiency upgrade discount right now. Use it, use it, use it. Have a good one, guys. See you soon.